而且非常认真的工作，那帮助台湾很多其实很有挑战、很有困难的家庭，能够维持基本的尊严，维持基本的日常的运作。
Every year I come here, I want
很多的义工的来源，包括尤其是非常。
And the union leader will give certificate from North Union Leader na dati hindi makawala sa broker, ngayon she is a direct worker now. Nagyapan ng weekly day off niya. Thank you. Okay? Yes, thank you very much. Okay, salamat nga pala. Your voting cost, OBB.
Ayan ang lunch namin ngayon. Ayan, kainan na. Lunch time, guys. Kainan. Lunch time, lunch time, lunch time. Ayan, tapos na ang kainan ng lunch time. Oh, tapos na. May kape pa rito. Libreng kape. Oh. May naka-live pala dyan. Ito rin, oh. Coffee.
And then suddenly, there is an assistant of the president of CLA. Usually, the issue from May 23. Did anyone join this? Local people are even more than migrant workers. Yeah. So of the CLA.
Gusto kong ipaalam sa inyo yung katotohanan kung bakit merong working year limit ang Taiwan. Una-una na yung sinabi mo kanina, nagpunta siya. Listen to me if I'm alone. So ngayon, ang gagawin ninyo, the government will listen and respond if we are united. So what you are doing now in your group, you need to discuss in 10 minutes and write down your suggestion on how the migrant workers in Taiwan can join the rally. So
dito sa Taiwan. And by posting on social media, I hope magkaroon tayo ng link kung na mayroong tamang information kung saan sila pupunta during...
Ito ay hindi, ano namin ito lahat, suggestion namin, straight advocacy.
hello, the same boang like me? Magandang hapon. Ako po si Betty.
Maganda.
Ako ay nagtatrabaho sa Tiwa.
Yes.
Okay, so we are preparing for the December 7 big rally, and we need to prepare many crops.
Isang oras,
Oh, yan. Down mo siya. Meron na yan. Yes, oh, ganyan.
Ayan, yan. And then, tapos, ganyan. Kasi ganyan.
Ate, I need to check. They type.
This one is correct.
It's not correct, this one.
Tapos iganon daw eh.
Ayan, Wow, ayan, marami na kaming nagawa. Oh. Ayan, dami na namin nagawa. Ayan, yung mga finished product dito na may ilalagay.